Here's everything you need to know about stamped concrete patio cost. Budget breakdown. Here's what you need to know. Stamped concrete patios cost 12 to 18 per square foot installed. Learn what drives pricing, typical project ranges, and how to compare contractor estimates. Quick answer. Stamped concrete patios cost 12 to 18 per square foot installed, or $4,800 to $7,200 for a typical 400 square foot space. Final price depends on pattern complexity, concrete strength, 4,000 to 5,000 psi, sealing, and site preparation, not on the contractor's deposit policy. Planning a stamped concrete patio? Your first step is understanding where the money goes. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Unlike contractors who demand deposits and disappear, local concrete funds all materials and labor up front. You pay nothing until the work is complete. This budget guide breaks down every cost component so you can compare estimates accurately and identify the factors that separate a 5,000 patio from an 8,000 one. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in decorative concrete projects including stamped patios, driveways, and pool decks. A typical stamped concrete patio of 400 square feet costs between $4,800 and $7,200 installed, depending on pattern complexity and finish grade. Unlike contractors who require deposits, local concrete funds all materials and labor up front, and homeowners pay nothing until the work is complete, eliminating the financial risk that defines poor concrete contracting. This post breaks down every cost variable so you can budget accurately and identify qualified contractors in your market. Moving on to stamped concrete pricing overview. Stamped concrete patios cost 12 to 18 per square foot fully installed in North Carolina markets. This is the industry baseline for mid-range patterns: ashlar slate, running bond, brick, with standard concrete strength, high-strength concrete, one application of protective sealer, and professional finishing. A 400 square foot patio, roughly the size of a master bedroom, falls in the $4,800 to $7,200 range. What explains the wide range? Pattern complexity, site conditions, and seal quality. A simple geometric pattern on level, well-compacted soil costs less than a wood plank design on clay requiring subgrade stabilization and multiple seal coats. According to the American Concrete Institute, ACI, concrete finish quality and durability depend heavily on proper mix design, water-cement ratio control, and curing conditions, factors that directly influence labor time and material costs. Stamped concrete is a labor-intensive process. The contractor must prepare and compact the subgrade, preventing frost heave in and sea winters. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.